Hello, today I will show you how to jumpstart a Toyota RAV4 Hybrid 5th generation. So that means this procedure will apply for all the models starting 2019 until 2025. So if your car will not open, or if it has some juice in the battery, you can diagnose the current using the procedure entering the secret menu by holding the audio button, and after that turn 3 times the lights, and then in the menu you'll see the current from the 12-volt battery. If your 12-volt battery it's died, then you have to give it some current. So in this case, since the battery it's located into the trunk, first you have to pop the hood. So as I said, the battery is located here. And also remove all those covers. This one, and the battery is located here. So Toyota says it's not recommended to jumpstart the car starting from here because it can damage some circuits, so you have to jumpstart from the engine. So let's open the hood. First remove the cover, this cover where the relays in the fuse are, some of them. And as you can see, here is a terminal with a plus sign on it. Remove it, and you will see that on this side it's a metal one. So here it will go the plus cable. And for the minus, directly connected here. Make sure the metal thing it's clean. Let me show you how to do it. So those are some cables, and first connect the negative. Like so. And do with the same wire, the negative connected to the minus on the donor's battery. After that, on the plus, like so. Make sure the donor's car it runs, so to not drain its battery. Also you can use a jumper in order to start it. After the car starts, reassemble the plastic, fuse cover. Here's the diagram. And that's all. Thanks for watching, and see you to the next tutorial. Bye.